Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we are going to do, it's the Look Fantastic box, y'all, but I think it is from December. I got it right before Dad went into the hospital. You'll just see. I had to open it because I had to make sure that nothing inside was damaged or broken because look at how it came. It was soaked. This whole part here was just soaked, and then the post office put this big "We Care" sticker on top of it, which I actually meant to get out and see if I needed to read it. I never did. You know, it was drenched in whatever. And I dropped it. It's okay. We sincerely regret the damage to your mail during handling by the Postal Service. We hope this incident does not inconvenience you. We realize that your mail is important and that you have every right to expect it to be delivered in good condition. Although every effort was made to prevent damage to the mail, occasionally this does occur. Because of the great volume handled and the rapid processing methods which must be employed to ensure the most expeditious distribution possible. We hope you understand. We assure you that we constantly strive to improve our processing methods in order that even a rare occurrence may be eliminated. Please accept our apologies. Sincerely, your postmaster. Well, you know, it's weird, but it didn't bother me too much, especially with everything going on. Now, my box did get a little stained from whatever it was, which that does kind of worry me. What was it that got spilt on there? Was it doesn't seem like water, or it still wouldn't be looking so wet. So, yeah. Anyway, here's your Look Fantastic beauty box. And on the inside, I guess I could tell you about the box. I was so thrown by the packaging. We want you to feel inspired. So this Look Fantastic is a website where you can go and get your beauty products, but they also have this beauty box. Their beauty box, you get 6 items. They're guaranteed to be worth $60 or more. With my referral link, your first order, whether that be the beauty box or something from their website, you'll get 25% off. So I think that's really cool. It's GANA R54T. I will put it down below. Your pricing, if you do month by month, it's $19, but if you subscribe to more months, you can get it for as low as $16 a month. You can get all kinds of fun stuff in here. We're just going to open it up and look into it because, like I said, it's been sitting around for a while. All right, I see no paperwork. Normally there's a little book in here. That's okay. We'll keep going. We're just going to go through it. Sometimes I'll go through and like copy what the thing says, but I don't think I did that. So the first thing I see in here, I guess I could show it to you now that I've opened the paper. This is a Brushworks scalp massaging brush. I actually was about to buy another one of these, so I'm glad I got one sent in a box before I bought it. I do like using these when I'm washing my hair. It just makes everything lather up and it gives you a nice little massage on your scalp. They, you know, I love them. And they're so soft. It feels really good when you use them. I haven't tried this particular brand before. It says achieve a deep cleanse, increase blood circulation, and exfoliate your scalp using this scalp massaging brush. This silicone bristle brush helps to remove buildup of hair products, and the curved handle offers a secure grip for ultimate control. So yeah, I use this when I do like the scrubs. I use it when I do my shampoo. I love these things. So that's our first item. The reason I was going to buy another one is because I want to leave one at Mom's. I'm going up there so much now that I just need to start leaving products there. I asked her, I was like, Mom, can I just leave some stuff here? Because last time I went, I forgot my bathroom bag. She had to give me a toothbrush, and I didn't have any deodorant. And that was a no-go for me. All right, next, this is a hair mask by Style Dry. It is coconut and fig with coconut oil and murumuru butter. I can never say that right, but I think it's hilarious when I try to say it. So this says, this super hair mask with coconut oil and murumuru butter is for healthy looking, hydrated, and glossy hair. It's a must-have hair mask for the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will look silky and shiny as never before. So you leave it in for 10 minutes and you rinse it out. Do it a couple times a week. So that is cool. I love hair masks. I actually just did one on my hair a couple days ago and I could tell a big difference. I used a different, what do you call it? Styling gel today, and it just, I don't know, it looks weird. Next, we have Molton Brown London Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. See, I love that they send little things like this because this is perfect for leaving at mom's house. It won't take too much space up or for traveling. And, you know, you still got a good bit of stuff with you. Not a one and done kind of thing. It says, a courtyard of orange trees in dappled shade, lovely citrus airs dancing the flamenco at dawn. Azure blue skies above, awaken your spirits with our modern classic plucked from the Naranja Grove. Signature radiance unmistakable. Huh. Whoa. Okay. It's got a weird, I don't know if that's the Bergamot. I almost would have said like a honeysuckle smell to it because of the sweetness. I think that's the Bergamot I'm smelling though, but interesting. I will have to try that. This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. I've used this before. I mean, it's all right. The thing is, it says morning on it, so I feel like I should use it in the morning, and so I don't always grab it at the right time of day. You know what I mean? Then it gets set aside. Massage into your skin on face and neck each morning to maximize plumping effect. So that's interesting. This is Lumene, Lumene, Nordic Hydra Oxygen Recovery 72 Hydra Gel Mask. All right, why I keep wiping these bottles is because from the shredded paper, there's just paper dust on everything. And I don't particularly love that, but just in case you saw me wiping and wondered why. Yeah, a bunch of words I cannot read, won't even try. Apply generous layer on clean skin, leave on for 15 minutes, and wipe off the excess mask. Follow with your regular skincare routine and use 2 to 3 times a week or whenever needed. So it's sealed. I'm going to leave this one sealed for now because I do have several masks and things open, but cool. The last thing, ooh, strawberry. This is lanolips, 100% natural, 101 uses. Ointment multi balm. So it's a lip balm. How can it be 100 uses or 101 uses if it's just a lip balm? Hydrating, nourishing, super intense. A little tube of magic, an all natural lanolin balm with strawberry extract and vitamin E, a super dense balm that seals in moisture, multi-award-winning, hard-working, and powerful multitasking, and it is very vegetarian. So, okay. Can't put it on my lips right now because I've got a ton of stuff on my lips already, but I do love having balms and oils and anything lip-related. Y'all know I love that. There is, all right, I'm squeezing, let me see. I don't want to squeeze too much, but hello. Gotta get some sometime. Ah, not even pink. It's kind of a yellowy color. Whoa, it is thick. And it does have a strong strawberry smell. I kind of want to lick it. Oh my goodness, I kind of want to lick it. The bad thing about balms is they do get kind of sticky. But I like this one. All right. So what do we think of this box? We got the lip balm, the face serum, the face mask, the hair mask, the shower gel, and the scalp scrubber. I mean, I think that's pretty good for $16 to $19, depending on how you subscribe. It is a lot of samples. I have put this subscription on hold, so you won't be seeing this one for a while, but I do like it. And the fun thing about it is, you know, with referral and things, I actually got some points, and you can trade that in for money and shop on their website. So I did that. This one comes a little smushed too, but we're gonna open this one up and look and see what I ordered from Look Fantastic. I'm excited about this one. I've had a hard time not getting into it. It has been here for a little while as well. But yeah, it's time to open it. So with my points, I got two things. I think I had to pay a little extra, but not much. And this, y'all, I could not resist this. I actually saw a MUA makeup artist using this to clean their brushes, and I was like, ooh, I need that. And so I've been, you know, thinking, oh, I need to get it, oh, I need to get it. I finally got it. So this is the Sigma 2x Sigma Spa Brush Cleaning Glove. Look at that thing. It's huge. Let me see if I can open this. Oh, good. Let me get everything out of it. So there's a soft glove in there, but you know, you wear it like this, and then you scrub your brushes. You got all these different surfaces to scrub different sizes of brushes, different things. Let me flip it around. All the different ways to clean your brushes, and then when you have cleaned it all off, you put the brush right here, you squeeze out the water. I just thought that was neat. I don't know why I thought it was so neat. Let me see what it says on the back. 8 patented textures for an effective clean, universal fit for overall control, 2 thumbs for easy to turn transitions, exclusive microfiber glove for added comfort. So there's a little thing that says wash face texture, wash eye texture, rinse eye texture, rinse face texture. So it kind of shows you the different textures and what to do with them, which I think is neat. The glove on the inside is very soft. I wonder if it comes, I think it comes all the way out. It does. Ooh, it's got static in it though. So you got your comfort glove and your plasticky glove. The question is, can I get it back in now that I took it out? Brush cleaning how to. So you even get a little guide on how to properly clean your brushes. Look how cool is that? I should have got some brush soap as well. Well, anyway, that is neat. I'm looking forward to cleaning all my brushes now. And the other thing I got was a Sigma palette. I've been wanting to try this one. This is the Ambiance palette. I will list below how much all this stuff cost. I actually think I may have had it pulled up. The Sigma Spa Brush Cleaning Glove was $31.35. This palette is $49.92. So the packaging on this is lovely. Shiny, but lovely. There's a peek of the colors. Let's see what it says. Get the ultimate golden hour glow with this landscape of warm, matte, shimmer, and metallic shades, inspired by the sun's peaceful, ever-changing light. Ambiance sets the mood for any occasion with neutral to bold hues and a beautiful dual-end brush. This brilliant eyeshadow palette will help you look radiant from sunrise to sunset. So let's open it. There were a couple palettes, eyeshadow palettes, that I've just really been wanting to try. Sigma was one of them, and Anastasia Beverly Hills is the other one. And I just haven't bought them because I know they're pricey. Look at that. Fancy pants. Look at that, y'all. Isn't it gorgeous? I don't even know if I'm getting it. I can't see the camera. Okay, and then you've got the gorgeous little brush. The brush. All right, sorry about that. Camera decided to tell me it was full, so I had to do some readjusting. So, like I said, beautiful brush, beautiful colors. Let's tap into some of these colors. Ooh, you know me, I have to do some shimmers. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Now let's do some not shimmers. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Let's do 2 more and then I'm gonna go, because yeah, who knows how much more space I have on this camera. My watch is in the way. Oh my goodness, look at that color. Oh, lovely. I'm so excited to try this palette out and see how it goes. What do y'all think? Have y'all tried this palette? Do you have a favorite Sigma palette? Do you have a different brand that you want me to try? Oh my good gracious. Shimmery, shiny, love it. Oh my gracious. All right, y'all, thank you so very much for sticking with me. I hope you had a great time looking at this Look Fantastic stuff. Don't forget, if you want to try Look Fantastic, I do have that code. I will put it below. I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I appreciate it so very much. Don't forget to share with your friends, press the notification bell, and if you would like to donate to the cause, there are 2 ways to do that. You can tip me through YouTube, pressing that super thanks button, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com, unboxed by G, and you can leave me a tip through there. Y'all, thank you so very much. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.